Asphalt paving is a crucial process in road construction. To ensure that a new road is able to withstand the tests of time, vehicles, and the weather, along with the requirements set by the EPA, it's vital that the proper mixture to make the asphalt is constantly being measured and dispensed accurately. The liquid asphalt used to hold the aggregate together in the paving process is a highly viscous form of petroleum crude oil. Making sure the correct amount of liquid asphalt is being applied in the paving process can be a challenge for pavers. That's where A.W. Lake and our TRICOR Pro Plus Coriolis mass flow meters come into play. A manufacturer of asphalt paving equipment reached out to A.W. Lake looking for flow monitoring systems that could be installed on their various types of paving machinery to handle not only the highly viscous liquid, but also needed to withstand the harsh elements and temperatures associated with asphalt paving. The compact size of the TRICOR Pro Plus allowed for installation within the chassis of the asphalt pavers. In addition to that, a display was placed in a Hoffman box on the outside for easy reading and connection to the onboard PLC. The sensors offered the accurate and highly repeatable output the manufacturer was looking for, and with only a small amount of time needed for installation. In addition, the Pro Plus series was strong enough to handle the constant high temperature of the liquid as well as the harsh outdoor weather conditions. This is a prime example of how A.W. Lake and its family of flow monitoring products can help any business or industry involving flow measurement. Our customer service team, engineers, and shipping department are second to none. We'll make sure you have the right flow monitoring system for your business's needs and delivered in a timely manner. Visit our website at awlake.com or call or chat with a team member today.